Hello children, today's topic is letter writing. So children, what is a letter? It is a written message conveyed from one person to another. Generally it is done via post. I will give you one example for this. Suppose there is one person and he wants to provide some information to another person in written form. So he will write it on a paper and this paper is called a letter. Then he will provide another person's address on this paper and then he will send this to the post office. Post office will deliver this letter to the another person. So children, primary purpose of the letter is to communicate in the written form. There are two types of letters. Formal letter, informal letter. There is a difference between formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter is written for official purpose. It is written to the principal, to the manager of the company or any other office, to the editor of the newspaper, to the collector, and to the director of any management or company. An informal letter is written for personal purpose. It is written to family members, to friends. Now I will show you the format of both the letters. We will start with the format of formal letter. Children, whenever we are going to write the letter is always written from the left side of the notebook or the paper. Sender's address. Like I have written sender's address to the extreme left of the notebook, you will also going to write. Then we will write date after sender's address. After date, we are going to write receiver's address. After receiver's address, we will write subject, then salutation, then the body in which the message is conveyed. At last, we will write complimentary greetings with your name. In receiver's address, children, we are going to write that person address to whom we are sending the letter. Like I have written the principal, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Then the subject for which the letter is being written. That subject you are going to write here. Like if you want to take leave for 2 days. Then salutation will be respected sir or madam. Body of the letter, we will always start with I would like to draw your kind attention. Then the matter, message, what you want to give to principal, that you will write, and ending will be done with I shall be thankful to you. Beginning of the body will be I would like to draw your kind attention. Ending will be I shall be thankful to you. Complimentary greetings, we will write yours sincerely, then you are going to write your name. Now the format of informal letter. We will write sender's address, date, salutation and body. Here we are not going to write subject and receiver's address. Then complimentary greetings and your name. In salutation, you are going to write Dear father, mother or friend or any other family members to whomsoever you are writing the letter, you will denote them by dear. In formal letter, in formal letter, we have denoted the receiver with respected. Here it is informal letter, so we are going to denote the receiver with dear. Then in body you will start with I am fine here and hope you also be fine there. Then your message or whatever you want to say in the letter. Then at last you will say convey my regards to all family members. Whether you are writing to your friend also, then also you can say this, convey my regards to all family members. Complimentary greetings will be your loving son, daughter or friend. Then your name. So children, this was your topic, letter writing, and your homework will be to go through the format of letters and complete your notebook work neatly and carefully. Thank you.